This video will show you how to add Instant Roofer's free embed calculator to your website. Simply go to instantroofer.com and click on the icon to log into your dashboard. Enter the mobile number you used during sign-up. Click Continue to get your text message to log in. Most of the topics in this video you can find in How Does Calculator Embed Work? Let's get started by setting up your roof materials and pricing. Let's start by setting up our price per square for asphalt shingles. Let's go ahead and enable designer shingles for the calculator embed. We're going to set a price and move on to creating a custom roofing material. Now that we've added our custom roofing material, let's set a unique image for our roofing material. Let's give it a name for the customers to see. We can leave it as a default material, but you can also set solar panels or solar roofing. Let's go ahead and set some of the benefits to this material. These benefits will be shown to the customer during their journey through the embed calculator. Just like before, let's set a price per square for our custom roofing material and enable it. Before we add the free calculator embed, let's go ahead and customize it a bit. We can see the custom roofing material we set up earlier in the preview mode. Let's go ahead and customize our headings that the customers will see. When we save our customizations, the preview of our calculator will be displayed in real time. Currently, our roof estimates are displayed by price per square foot. Let's go ahead and change this. The price toggle will give an exact price for the estimate, whereas the price range will give a $3,000 band. For best practices, we recommend the price range. Now let's go ahead and customize the button text from Next to Continue, Connect with Us to Connect with ABC. And once again, our changes are in real time on the preview. You can toggle on the free, no spam, no BS check marks, or you can toggle them off. Maybe your website doesn't have a white background color. Let's go ahead and change it. I'm digging the Halloween colors. Let's go ahead and go back to white since our website has a white background with black text. Let's go ahead and change our button color, icon color, to match the call to action buttons on our website. This is a best practice. You can also add a border around the calculator to make it stand out just a bit more. It doesn't really match the theme of our website, so I'm going to go ahead and remove it. This looks fantastic. Let's get ready to add it to our website. Let's click on Get Embed Code. You have 4 options when copying the embed code: without tracking, with Google Ads tracking, with Google Analytics tracking, or with both Google Analytics and Google Ads tracking. Enter your website URL and then click on Copy Embed Code. Let's go ahead and go to our WordPress website and log into the admin dashboard. Note that our embed will work on virtually any website, but for this demonstration, we're going to use WordPress. Let's go to Pages and create a new page. Let's go ahead and set our page title to Instant Online Estimate. This is a best practice as we've tested on many websites. Let's go ahead and add a new block, and we're going to add a custom HTML block. Let's go ahead and paste in the code that we copied earlier. That's it for our new page. We can go ahead and publish it. So let's click Publish. Let's go ahead and copy our page URL, and then let's view our page and give it a test. And there you go. That's the calculator that we customized earlier. Let's go ahead and add a button so users can get to it. Simply click on Edit Page, and then click in the middle, hit the plus symbol, and we're going to select Button. For our button text, we're going to use the same text that we used for our page title, Instant Online Estimate. This is a best practice. Now let's paste in the URL that we copied earlier. Notice how we're not removing the Contact Us button, but instead we're adding another option for our users to go to. We're going to go ahead and set a different color for the Instant Online Estimate to give them a choice between the 2 options. Let's go ahead and publish this. You'll notice that the button color is the same color that we used during customizing our embed calculator. Let's go and try it out. As a note, matching the button color on your website to your embed calculator is a best practice. As you can see, our custom roofing material appears immediately, alongside with the benefits of our custom roofing material. In addition, we can see the price band for the pricing we set up for our custom roofing material. And there you go. Our first calculator embed lead has come in. Let's go ahead and open up our leads list. We should see the lead we just created. Leads are separated by calculator embed and exclusive leads from instantroofer.com. All of the information for the customer is here, including a unique certificate for the lead. The certificate allows you to see everything regarding the customer, including a video of what they experienced. The certificate is a part of our TCPA compliance, showing that the customer submitted the form and requested a quote. The event log is a quick summary of the customer's information, recorded with the certificate. Let's go ahead and add some more roofing materials to our calculator embed. You'll notice I can enable metal roofing material for my calculator embed and Pro Calculator, but I don't necessarily want leads from instantroofer.com. For clay and terracotta, I want leads from instantroofer.com, but I don't want them featured on my calculator embed. If we go back to customizing our calculator embed, we can see that metal is now a material option, whereas clay and terracotta as not. The changes we've made to the calculator embed are immediately updated on your website. No need to update your website with every change. As you can see, metal is now an option, and the price is updated. Now that we've successfully added a button and the calculator embed to our website, let's go ahead and add a menu item to make it easier for customers to get to it. Click on the Customize button, then click on the Header button. Let's go ahead and edit our primary menu. Now we're going to simply add a new item and select Instant Online Estimate page. And there you go. It's added to our website. So let's go ahead and publish that and see what it looks like. Now our customers can get to our Instant Online Estimate from anywhere. Thank you for watching, and if you need help, reach out to us for support. Have a great day.